Here is the premise. Nobody knows anything. What that really means is everyone's searching for what's next, for what matters, for what makes their work meaningful. And that's where disruptive strategies come in, because in a world full of uncertainty, the person or a company that brings a clear, conviction-driven vision is the one that shapes the future. Not just by guessing, but by applying unconstrained imagination with deep methodological thinking, data, and our emotional understanding of what people truly need before they even know it themselves.
I personally believe that everything that you can imagine can be done, and the same applies for business. There's no limits. It has a lot to do with perceived boundaries and the will to push against them.
Incremental thinking will not take your company to the next level. Instead, it's a path to a slow decline. Big leaps need bold ideas and the courage to chase them. To truly imagine what could be, one needs to step away from what is and imagine new optionalities for your business. That often means working with futures that include new technologies, new climate pressures, or new economies, and working backwards to figure out what actions need to be made today. Our EY-Parthenon's disruptive strategy team helps organizations to harness deliberate imagination. That is how we apply disruptive strategy to give our clients purpose and the confidence to shape their future.